stock number 6028. Surveyor 248 BHLE. Coca Interior Decor. Legend Value Package of Furion Bluetooth Stereo, Stainless Steel Appliances, Skylight over Shower, 60 by 80 queen beds, LED interior lighting, nightshades, high-rise kitchen faucet, high-rise residential toilet, electric awning with LED light bar, magnetic baggage doors, detachable power cord, outside shower, black tank flush, fully enclosed underbelly, backup camera prep, solar panel prep, exterior pet-friendly utility hook with food bowls. Asdel panels, aluminum wheels, power tongue jack, folding assistant handle, glass stove with cover, and sink cover. This unit and more on 5 acres right here at Sutton RV.
Living each day at your own pace, moving down the road from place to place. We can make your dreams come true in your very own RV. Come by, we're easy to find. 6th and 7th at 99 at George and Sutton. You're gonna love